Exploring Imagery and Language, A Sea of Violets. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the beautiful and poetic expression, a sea of violets. This phrase isn't just about flowers. It's a journey into the world of imagery and descriptive language. So, let's explore what makes this phrase so vivid and how it paints pictures in our minds. A sea of violets is an idiomatic expression that goes beyond its literal meaning. It's not about a literal sea, nor is it about a literal collection of violet flowers. This phrase is an example of imagery, a literary device used to create vivid images in the mind of the reader or listener by appealing to the senses. When we hear, a sea of violets, we might imagine an endless expanse of purple flowers, stretching as far as the eye can see, much like a sea. It suggests abundance, vastness, and a sense of overwhelming beauty or emotion. Let's focus on the word violets. Violets are more than just flowers. They are often symbols of delicate beauty, innocence, and purity. In literature and poetry, they can also represent modesty, faithfulness, and everlasting love. So, when we say, a sea of violets, we're not just talking about the flowers themselves but also invoking all the emotions and meanings associated with violets. This expression, like many in the English language, finds its roots in literature and poetic descriptions. Writers often use such phrases to convey feelings or set a mood rather than to communicate a direct message. For instance, describing a scene as a sea of violets might be used to convey a sense of overwhelming calmness or beauty. It's important to understand the context in which it's used to fully grasp the depth of its meaning. A Sea of Violets is a beautiful testament to the power of language and imagery in conveying emotion and painting pictures with words. It's more than just a phrase. It's an invitation to explore and feel the world in a more nuanced and colorful way. We hope this exploration of A Sea of Violets enriches your understanding of the English language and its poetic expressions. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of language together.